Thank you all for coming here today. I really appreciate it. My name's Logan. Just let me, hold on one second. Oh, right. Hello, and welcome back to another DIY! Here's a picture of Vegeta that I drew a few years ago. Isn't that neat? He'll be my emotional support for today. So for today's DIY, we're gonna be doing Carnage. Just in time for Venom, Let There Be Carnage. What? Oh, they came out like months ago? Like October? Really? Huh. Yeah, I don't know how this happened. This is poor planning on my part. Do I just keep going? Oh, okay, cool. We'll keep it going. So, it's too late to turn back, but the things you'll need for this are a red morph suit, 2 black felt sticker things, red pipe cleaners, and some red and some white, this fabric stuff that I always use, I don't know. 2 fabric markers, black, and leftover spray paint from the last DIY. Woo! I should probably check and see if this thing even fits first. Wow. It's like birth, but in reverse. This smells. Careful not to zip my hair. Ow, ow, ow. Wow, I can't see a thing in here. Uh-oh. Can't find the zipper. Can't get it. Oh, watch out, he's crowding. It says drink through them. Oh no! I'm gonna be here a while. Sorry, excuse me. I'm done. I can't do anymore. This is taking too long. I gotta move on. Oh, all right. I need 10. Beautiful. Where is my? You know what I'm trying to say. Here it is. God, now I gotta find it again. So beautiful, so not symmetrical. Alright, now I got an idea. Extra protection. Oh yeah. I'm a genius. Oh, stringy. No. I need glue! Hope you're non-toxic. Look at that. It was hot. Why'd I do that? You think I'd be immune by now? Yeah, boy! Why, yes, I am using a black marker to draw on some black fabric, but it's okay, it'll all work out, I promise. Ooh, that's not cutting very good. Wow, these scissors suck. Alright, we'll get there eventually.
Eventually.
Oh, hallelujah! Alright, eyeballs. Ha! Bah! One eyeball. Wow, that is extra hot right now, isn't it? Whoa, that's how we do it. Success. Close to the finger. Smoking a little bit, but that's okay. A little smoke never hurt anyone, right? Right, kids? Yep. I did it. Woo! Well. Woo! Sorry, Vegeta. So, this is where the spray paint comes in. Now look, I know I could have just bought a pink one of these, but look, me in October was not thinking about that, and so now I have to spray paint. I'm dying. And now I wait for this to dry. Oh, my back! Oh! Now, I'm not gonna lie, this Carnage is not gonna have a lot of teeth. Oh, that's a messed up tooth. Get out of here. Of course the teeth are too freaking big. Alright. Oh, there's pink on, that's, you know what, that's okay. You know, that was calculated and it's on my fingers. Why? This is just tedious and I don't want to do it. Freaking got to, because I've already committed. Okay, so he may have more top teeth than bottom teeth, but you know, I'm sure he has a great personality. that.
That's actually not too bad.
What up? It's me, Carnage.
That was bad.
I gotta be honest with you, I can't see a damn thing, so if you wanted to do anything to me right now, now would be the time.
Really, the last note that